Good morning, everybody. This is Todd from Todd and Karen's Backyard Coops and Gardens, coming to you today live from the hurricane chicken coops. We got a big muddy mess. It could have been worse, but it's so bad. It's soft in there. It ain't real bad, but the poor dust bath is plumb full of water, as you can see. We still got water puddles laying everywhere. Silky coop ain't real bad. I may go get some wood chips in a little bit and get it on there quick as possible. We still got water coming from the neighbor's yard. It comes from a drainage ditch up along the highway and comes through about 4 yards. Got a big ditch over here, and it comes up over the ditch into a low spot into my yard. At least it didn't make it to the back side of the chicken coop. Compost pile got drenched. We got some major water in the past 48 hours. Get on my bridge that goes across the ditch. It's still pouring. Maybe I should have invested in ducks. But yeah, major water. Right here at the end of the bridge, it's just everywhere. I'm not sure, I ain't seen the complete weather, but I think it's more or less on its way to Nashville. The breeze is starting to pick up now. I don't think we hardly had any wind at all night. Just to give you some idea about the ditch, it goes on the back of our property. It goes for a quarter mile down that way, and it's everybody's backyard is full. Still flowing. I just fed the chickens. Whoa. All chickens are doing good. Don't see no dead ones. About fell down right there. You can see how deep I sunk in. Miss Willow the rabbit, she rode out the storm. Miss Karen got the tarp over her. sea brights are doing good. Hens up on the roost. Miss Millie's up high. Family of 3 down here doing good. Just give them some food. My chickens are dirty and nasty. It stinks down here now. That's one thing I took pride in with the wood chips. I kept it really layered, and you hardly ever smelt anything down here unless we would get 2 or 3 days of rain. And the wood chips does really well. Just keep layering and layering, and it keeps your smell down. The chicken's clean. Now we'll probably have a bunch of mud balls to soak and get off their feet. So that's where we're at today. Just one big muddy mess. At least I was worried to death because they said we was going to get some extremely high winds, but at the base of my chicken runs, I never got around to finding the rebar J hooks. You have to order them online. Those stores locally carry them. They all sell them, but you got to order them online. So I do not have these chicken runs secured to the ground, and I'm just thankful and blessed that we didn't get no rough high winds. The wind is picking up a little bit now, but nothing major. So we just got to wait on the sun to come out, get our rakes out, get everything cleaned back up, get some dry wood chips, and start over again. Nice, neat, clean coops. We got to have clean coops for the babies. Wet coops is not good for a healthy chicken flock. You got to have a dry coop. There's Mr. Coach. He's the main man. Okay, this is Todd from Todd and Karen's Backyard Coops and Gardens, giving you an update on the hurricane here in North Georgia. May your chickens be happy and your gardens grow, and you all keep your feet dry. Prayers go out to people in Florida, South Georgia, all the surrounding areas that are affected by the hurricane. We love you and we pray for you. God bless everybody.